so we're at German Auto Centre. Plenty of cars in. This guy's over there, and there's my car. So yeah, let's get it paid for. Spend some more dollar bills. Right, catch you back in my car when I get the keys. Right, so we have the keys, and I don't need this on anymore, do I? Right, what did it come to? I mean, I already knew this because I quoted before, but for Walnut blasting, £360 including VAT, which is good because I thought it was 360 plus VAT, and I think they originally quoted me 376, I'm sure it was. But yeah, that's Walnut blasting. Obviously, that's, I expect, you know, some of the price I'll get around about £500 because of the work involved, which is taking all the plastics off, obviously stripping it down, and plus it's obviously 6 cylinders, there's 6 to do. So let's put the keys in. Am I going to tell any difference? Don't know. I'll have a drive. Let's slap you on the screen somehow, and then we'll see if we can see. Might be a bit dodgy a camera angle. Who knows? Who knows? So yeah, let's see if we can tell a difference. And we're peeing it down, so I'm not going to be able to give it too much right foot footage. So there's a couple of things I noticed. I didn't have any problems with tick over and idle before. It was always really smooth. You couldn't feel any sort of, you know, anything, you know, there was no rough idling basically. So it's not like I could tell some of the fired it up. I don't know. I mean, let's get on a straight road and have a quick tickle. I mean, if there's no improvement on the car, I'll certainly be a bit lighter because my pockets are a bit empty, so I should be able to run quicker, shouldn't I? These little boys to change, and then we can put the boot down, see what it's like. And there's no po-po. It's hard. I mean, you're never going to see, because the car had no issues and no problems, you're never going to see a massive difference. But it's hard to tell. It's I've been driving the little Skoda Beast that they gave me, but it does feel, do you know, it does feel smoother. As in, how do I explain this? Not as in, there's no surge of power increase or anything like that. Obviously it's not, it's just freeing up power the air gets in, but I don't know. So this is one of them where, if I'd have been doing this proper scientific, you'd have done a dyno before and after, wouldn't you? But I thought we'd have to take it on some big open roads in the dry and we'll give it some welly and see. But yeah. Right, I'm back. Friday, bloody rush hour traffic. So I've not been able to put a boot down yet anyway, but I'm going to drop a cog. After driving this car now for a good half an hour, 40 minutes, I've had odd little where I've been able to put my foot down, but not much. And yeah, you can definitely tell. Can't tell anything sort of low down, but I don't know what it is. It just accelerates a lot smoother. But the only place I'm really noticing that is more top end. So when you get to sound around about 5,000 revs, it just, I mean, this car goes very well. I do like this car, but it just seems to pick up a lot quicker. It's really hard to explain. I don't know. I don't know if it's in my head. I don't know. I'm trying to justify spending all that dollar on cleaning something less out, but it stands to reason. If they're clean and there's no sort of debris in it, it's going to flow a lot smoother, so you're going to get a better power increase. I don't know. But yeah, it just I'll just test to see if the dump valve works. I've not heard that in a little while. Let me go on this bit more straight road. Drop a cog. Yeah, it's good, it's good. I don't like this car. So It might not be the best, most informative video, but thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. There's a lot more to come on this particular car. I've done a few mods already and filmed them, but just not released them yet. Released them? Am I? But yeah, there's quite a few bits to be done on this, because I do like it. It weren't ever going to be a long-term car, but I've kind of fallen in love with it. It's a very, very good car. So yeah, right. Catch you later. Toodle pip.